Hey guys, it's Mars. So today I'm just gonna clean my brushes and talk because I literally don't remember the last time I did that. I clean my brushes, I don't remember. And that's like not good, am I right? I have this big mug, a Hershey. I'm good. Oh, did I spill? Girl. Yeah, it's filled with water. Like, it's one this. I'm gonna do it on the floor though because I literally don't trust myself. Let me move back. Oh my god. I need to clean my room. I just realized, like, I really need to clean my room. Okay, I think I kind of figured it out, but this is as best as it's gonna get. Honestly. Okay, anyways, guys. Oh my god, so I'm going to, like, Beyonce in, like, literally less than a week. She posted on her story, I'm pretty sure, that to wear silver. And I was like, oh my god. I literally had an outfit planned, you know? And, well, I have to go to, like, the fucking mall or something to find something silver, and hopefully I can find something, because it's too late to order. They will not come on time. I think I put too much soap on this. But yeah. I think I want to drink a little before I go. I don't know, though. I don't know. Speaking about drinking, like, one of my biggest, like, fear or something was getting blackout drunk, you know? And, like, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. Well, that happened. That fear came true. I went out. It was literally... My friend called me. I literally just got out of the shower. My friend called me and she was like, what are you doing? I'm like, nothing. I just got out of the shower, right? And she's like, okay, put on your makeup. We are going out. I'm like, alright. And I was going with, like, other people I haven't seen in a while. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'll go. Literally, like, almost an hour passed by. I was still not ready, obviously. And I was like, are you ready? Because, like, we all are. And I'm like, no, I'm literally almost ready, girl. Like, don't worry. And so they were like, okay, so we're just gonna go pick up some alcohol then. So we can pre-game a little. And I will pick you up. And I was like, okay. So I quickly put on mascara and shit like that. It was very natural. To finish the look. Changed. And I was ready to go. We went to his house, my friend. And we just, like, drank a whole drink. Had 8%, not bad, right? And I was like, wait, hold on. Oh my god, so I'm probably gonna get drunk faster because I'm on pills. I'm on antidepressants. Yeah, for the first time ever. And it literally says, don't drink. Why? Because you got drunk faster and you can't really, like... And it says, like, you probably won't be able to control yourself that much. And I was like, you know what? That seems like fun. I'm not gonna listen. So I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna get drunk faster. Because of that. And I did. Once we finished that fucking 8% drink, I already felt it. I was like, oh my god, I feel it. And she's like, there's no way. And I was like, bitch, it's these pills. And she's like, oh, here, sorry. Girl, I put too much soap. I don't know what to do. It's clean, but I just put on too much soap. Okay, but anyways, yeah, that happened. And then we started taking shots, and I was like, they were fucking nasty. And I was feeling very limp by the time we went to the club. We only stayed for like an hour or so. After we just walked around downtown, took more. And then we went back to the house. And I took more. And then that's all I remember, bitch. I remember myself falling in the bathtub, though. After I peed, I kept walking back. And I just fell in the bathtub. So, yeah. And that's all I remember. Well, I remember myself getting in the car. And that's where it ends. I don't remember anything else. Woke up with throw up on me. I'm never doing that again. I'm like, other than that, one of my other fears is literally getting blackout drunk at a family event. Like, that would be so embarrassing. That hasn't happened. Family events, my mom's always there. She's always like, after this drink, you're fucking done. I'm like, okay. Because I don't really get, like, fucked up at family events. Cause, like, that'll be so... My sister did, and she threw up all over herself. And I was like, yeah, I don't want that to happen to me. So I'm not gonna get... I don't drink a lot at family events. Cause that's so embarrassing. Being blackout drunk is so embarrassing. I was embarrassed the next day. I was like, girl. I had fun, but I was embarrassed. Anyways, now it's my first time getting blacked out. Finally done with this brush, like, girl. This is my bronzer. Okay, let me clean this and I'll be back. Ew, this is blush. So I've been wearing like natural makeup, except for right now, obviously. Even this is a little like natural. And the reason is so stupid. Okay, this happened because another club for our friend's birthday party. It was a shitty club. It was not fun at all. It wasn't shitty, it was just not fun. You had to pay to get in, like it was, girl. But yeah, I was wearing like big ass lashes. And I saw my side profile and I was like, they don't look good on you. You look like a fucking mess. It was crossfaded, so I was like, and ever since then, this was like a month ago, ever since then I've been wearing like more natural makeup. And I'm trying out like new like techniques to see what fits me. So yeah, that was like an eye-opening experience. Girl, I just don't need to go out. I really don't need to go out. Cause like all this shit. Yeah. Oh my god, look at how clean. You can see like it's like white now. Yeah, that's good enough. Literally next week is Beyonce and I'm so excited. And I also got a Chitchat ticket, so I'm very excited. I've been planning the outfit for that. Then I'm gonna be like kind of like a vampire with like a cute like red top. Cause I saw this image of Doja Cat and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do something like that then. Cause you know she's scarlet, bloody, or like paint her red. So I was like, that's like perfect. And literally her concert is on Halloween. Oh, I think that's great. Guys, I'm literally home alone and it feels weird because I haven't been home alone in such a long time. Like, so this is what I'm doing. That's done. By the way, this is like a crop top, so like if the sleeves look short, it's a crop top. I'm like covering all my shorts. Don't look at my shorts. I'm like covering, like don't look. Guys, don't look. No. No. Ew. This is gross. Oh, all the brown coming out. I mainly just use the brown, so like so much brown is coming out. Oh my god, like I low-key feel kind of old, even though I'm not, like, I'm not. Like, I don't know why I'm saying that, but like I'm not, like, do I look? But like, again, like I said this before, I'm not like on TikTok like that. Sister's always like watching some TikTok shit on YouTube, drama, and I'm like, what's happening there? I saw this recommended to me and she like explains it to me and I'm like, interesting. I'm like, this is wild. And she was like, yeah, they're like 14 and 16. I was like, girl, what? Like, it shocks me. It really does. And I'm not trying to be like, oh my god, I'm so edgy. Like, I'm not on TikTok. No, I just get bored. And I just watch like random YouTube videos. Period. Look at it. It's clean. Look at it. This is taking so long. This is why I don't clean my brushes. I literally would just buy new ones at this point. I'm just gonna clean like 3 more. 3 more that I use. And then I'm literally gonna be done because I can't do this. I use this for powder. Let's just clean it. I just can't right now. I'm like running out of energy. Oh, there was another one I wanted to wash, but I don't know where it is. Period. This looks clean. Let me just do a couple more swirls. What time is that? Where's my phone? It has to be like 3. Last time I checked it was like 2 something. So I did not find my phone, but I found the brushes I wanted to clean. This I also use for powder under my eye. Girl, where's my phone? Hey Siri. Oh, I found it. Yeah, I was right. It's 306. It was on the floor this whole time. I'm using the pink soap that people use. I'm sure you know. I mean, it's to wash clothes, but people use it to, like, for their brushes. It works good. Hashtag would recommend. Ay, ay. Great. I need to stop. Look at how foamy. She's clean. I use the, like, concealer under my eyebrow to conceal my eyebrows. Oh my god, pumpkin spice is back at Starbucks. I need to get one.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Oh my god, would you look at that? You can see the real color. White and gray. Okay, one more and then I'm fucking done. I'm gonna do this highlighting brush that I always use. Oh, this fan brush. Oh, okay. No, that's fine. You know what, I'm gonna do this fucking off camera and then I'll come back and say bye to you. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed us just talking and cleaning my makeup brushes. Well, some of my makeup brushes. I did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. That's good. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.